Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm going to be cooking Stir Fry Mongolian Beef. In a dish I've got 15 ml of water. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of veg oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this up to make it like a slurry. Don't worry about the ingredients and the timings of this dish, I'll put it all in the link below. In this bowl I've got 580 grams of flank or BAVETTE steak, and I've cut it across the grain into thin strips. Now we're going to use this marinade. Pour it all over the beef. Just going to mix it in. Make sure everything's covered. And we're going to let this stand for 10 minutes. While this is standing, we're going to make a sauce. I've got 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Just going to mix this up to make the sauce. So I've got a joy stove, the charcoal already going. We're going to put a cast iron wok on it and 1 tablespoon of veg oil. We're going to heat this up. Just spread the veg oil around to coat the bottom of the pan. We're going to add our beef. Spread this out. I'm going to cook on high heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to turn it. I'm going to cook for a further 2 minutes. This is a very quick recipe to do. After 2 minutes, we're going to add 2 bird-eye chilies. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Combine this, stir it around, and then we're going to cook for 30 seconds. 30 quick stir. We're going to add 1 small chopped onion, 1 green pepper, and 1 red pepper. And mix this in, and we're going to let it cook for 2 minutes. Stir it occasionally to make sure the peppers and onions are cooking through. Turn. Quick seasoning with our salt and black pepper. Now we're going to add our sauce. And combine it all with the stir fry, and we're going to cook this until it thickens. It's about 30 seconds. And there we have it. Stir fry Mongolian beef served with plain rice. Ensure the beef was like velvet. The vegetables, the peppers and the onion have got a crunch to it, and we'll just garnish this with some chopped spring onion. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.